Hi you guys, clearly it's a different day. Actually, it's like 2 days from the last time that I filmed. I actually put all of the pantry stuff all over my kitchen. So my kitchen been looking a mess for the last 2 days, but I should be getting some Amazon containers and stuff that I ordered. I should be getting those today, and I'm super excited to go ahead and get this shot in my kitchen first of all, but to also have it nice and organized. So let me show you. This is my mess. Everything's just laid out. So once I get my stuff, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm putting in jars and stuff. Oh, and what's up in here, you guys know I have the seasoning still right here, but I do have another organizer for my door, so when that comes in, that's gonna be cute. And I went ahead and put my cereal up here, even though I do have the containers for cereal as well. And I already organized these snacks. How cute is that, friend? How cute is this? So I got some popcorn, girl. Doritos, you got Choco Ranch, and you got what, a nacho cheese? Yeah, clearly. Then the Cheeto bin, and these bins came from Five Below. I don't know, I think they're like $3 a piece. And here's another one. I got some Lay's, some popcorn, which I need some popcorn right now actually, and some ramen noodles, so you guys can kind of see the size of those. And I just have a basket down there. I don't really know what I'm gonna put down here. I do need some bins or something. There's more storage, so I need to maximize the storage space down here. But I still do have these top two as well, so I think I'm gonna be able to get all my stuff, honestly, on these first 2 rows and on this door, and be able to do this a little bit later. But we will see, because I'm also going to the grocery store today, so yeah, these are about to be yummy. All right, you guys, so my stuff finally made it, and this is everything laid out. So I got the little things to put the tea in right here. Everything came from Amazon, by the way. I got these storage containers. I have this for the cereal, and then this is for clearly just like tight storage, like different things, pasta, stuff like that. Pot organizer. This right here is supposed to be for loaves of bread, so I'm just gonna try to put bread in here. And these are the soda containers. Hopefully I can fit some seasoning stuff. I don't know, those can be multi-purpose, and canned goods and stuff. I'm hoping I can just store them in here. These are some lights to put in there. They have sticky things for the back, and they are motion censored as well, so I wanted those so that once we open the pantry, that's good to go. And then something on the back of the door, because I want to go ahead and take this down and put that little storage thing up. So I'm gonna go ahead and add all the cereal to those containers and get some of this stuff off the table, and then I will be right back. All right, you guys, so this is the complete organization. Like, I am super duper happy with how the results came out. Hey, I know those say sweatpants. Don't come for me. Listen, it's not sweatpants, okay? We'll get to that. And here is the shelf on the door. I could not be more happier with my whole setup. Like, I'm ecstatic about this, you guys. Let's get right up in here, okay? So I got the jars, and I will try to link everything that I have. I know I suck with that. First of all, these lights that I got from Amazon. Now, these are supposed to be motion censored, but hello, they don't work too well. So I don't know about those. Like, literally, it's motion happening. And anyway, these jars right here came from Ikea. These labels came from Amazon. Actually, I bought them a while back. You can get labels that already have different things on them that you use. As you can see, I didn't type these, I didn't print these. They came like this. I just peeled and stuck, okay? You guys can kind of see what I have. So we have bread back here, and I have just an oil can back here because I like to put my oil in a can, okay? I don't like to use it once and just be done with it. Got these little shelves from Ikea, and they just create 2 levels, and I thought that was too cute. I think they were like $12, but you can put cans up top cans down here. I don't do a lot of canned goods. I like fresh veggies and stuff, but I just have a few things that I do use for different items. So yeah, there's that. Spaghetti and stuff, everything has a label, which I think is super cute. I have some snacks here, a little tea thing here. As you guys saw, I unboxed for you in time lapse. I got these trays. This is actually a soda tray. I got this from Amazon. All of these containers and stuff came from Amazon. So I will have everything in my Amazon store for you guys. These were actually canned things, and I just put my oatmeal in there. I thought that was cool and cute for the little packets. These containers I think came from Five Below. So I have these, and this is another one. I ran out of stuff, so I was trying to make do with some things that I already had, because I bought like 3 of these, and I didn't need 3 for the fridge for sodas, because I don't drink sodas like that. And then I have some ramen noodles, because sometimes I like to make a soup with those. Don't sleep on ramen. It's not just for putting water in it and putting it in the microwave, okay? So it's more to it. So I can finesse ramen. You all don't know. Yeah, okay? But anyway, I have baskets. All of this stuff at the bottom is pretty much storage. So this has a lot of like seasonings and stuff that I already put into my seasoning rack, and I'll show you guys that in a second. So this is just some onions. These are potatoes, and these are like, this is just a lot of snacks and stuff like that. And everything else, basically. This is miscellaneous. This is like sauces, spaghetti sauce, syrup. Girl, just everything. I even got a jar of candy. I love gummy worms, so I was like, this little treat with a lid, that's clutch. Got some Pringles right there too, you know. But anyway, this came from Amazon as well. The only thing I don't like about this is that it was very floppy on the door. So I had to get some of this tape that I already had. This tape is like the tape they use to stick things like your phone on a mirror or window or something. It's like double stick, but it's like so strong. And now it's perfect. Like it sits on there and it closes just fine. So there's that. And I also want to show you guys my other organization. Now this came from Ikea. I think this is cute for pancake mix and rice. This is just like what I love for breakfast, what I love for lunch and dinner and stuff. I love rice, okay? Then I bought my little oil balsamic vinegar organizer, because I cook a lot of stuff with balsamic vinaigrette. So I did put some balsamic in this and some olive oil in here, because I cook with that all the time. And this is my little seasoning rack. I actually got this from Bed Bath & Beyond, and they already had their own labels, herb of poultry or something like that. Anyway, you can see there's something there. I just put my own circle labels on the actual bottles and put my own seasoning here, because girl, I don't know what the hell, no herb, poultry, like, no, we're not doing that. Savory. We're not doing none of this. I mean, I know what oregano is, and I did use oregano for the same one. But it was very rare that they had what I needed. Like they do got basil. This one was called basil. I emptied out what they had, because this come with seasonings already in it. So that's the only thing I didn't like about this one. But I love the convenience of the Lazy Susan type of deal. So there's that. Love it. I just keep this here. I can cook. Everything is so easy now, you guys. And while I'm showing you guys my kitchen stuff, I might as well show you this organization as well. I got this pot organizer that is perfect. I don't have a lot of pots, as you guys can see. I need a new pot set. Don't come for me. I do love this. Like this I got from Amazon. It fits my big pot right here. Literally everything that you need just fits right in here. It's so convenient when you wash and you know where everything goes. It's literally been like, I want to say 2 weeks since I started this whole video. But anyway, this is what my fridge is looking like. I just want to mention a few things in here. Like, I don't want the store-bought containers to be in my house. So basically emptying out my orange juice and my pineapple juice into this, my milk into that, you know, empty everything out basically is the whole goal for this, is to not have the package, is to have a streamlined type of theme. As you can see, everything looks nice and streamlined. For this is all like my lettuce. I could just take this tray out. My little sandwich tray has cheese and ham. I have some cookies here because I don't know why this needs to be thrown out. But I have some cream cheese and stuff back there, and that's for like cooking meals and stuff. So I put that back there because I don't need it. Y'all, I don't know when this became a fridge tour, but yeah, it just became that. And I just have these containers that I got from Ikea. I think these are super cute for refrigerator organization. I don't know, I think it's cute. This came from Five Below. I just put some grapefruit in there. Half of this stuff probably about old now because I've been super busy, but I did want to just show you guys the organization. This is a very small refrigerator. I'm actually about to get a bigger one, but I just want to show you guys what it looked like. So that's pretty much everything I wanted to show you guys as far as the pantry and my kitchen organization go. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you did, give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.